So remember whenever I said I wasn't gonna mod my GTI? Well, I already have a mod for it. So what I bought is this thing called a JB1 from Focus. Okay, so it doesn't want to focus, but it's from Burger Motorsports, and it's basically, how would you explain it? It's a tuner without.
It's called a piggyback tune. So it's not like it's flashing into the ECU. It's just changing the signals that come out of the ECU, and then switches like the responses.
So
like the sensors and stuff.
Yeah, so basically for us kids with warranties on our cars still, it doesn't void our warranties.
So it just like adjusts like the signals like that come back from the sensor. So it'll like say it's only making 10 PSI, and then it'll trick it to make more, basically.
Yeah. To
reach what it's supposed to be making.
And so real quick, because he already has his and put his in, and I'm about to put mine in, we'll do a comparison race. That way you guys can kind of see what a completely stock GTI is with the JB1 versus just stock without a JB1. But basically to install this, it takes all of 20 minutes because you just have 3 connectors. One goes to, what is it?
One goes to the MAF.
Yeah, the MAF, the throttle.
Yeah, and then the map.
And then, yeah.
Which is on the boost pipe. The map. On the boost pipe on the bottom.
Yeah, so.
You have to jack the car out for it.
Yeah, because you gotta take the skid plate off. But, we'll just get started, I guess.
I guess.
Alright, so I was told to tell you guys from Gunner that we have to disconnect the battery because of the wiring, because this is my first time doing something like this apparently.
Yes.
Because I never worked on a car before. But we can undo the charge pipe, or not charge pipe, the intake pipe. Wow, I really know what I'm talking about.
Yoink.
So we can throw this down into here and that under there, and then just makes it a little bit better.
Cleaner.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. Okay, so I moved the positive out so I can tuck this back so it's a lot cleaner. This blue wire apparently is for the JB4, so it hooks into the O2 sensor, but I'm not using a JB4, so there's no need for that. So we got one connector here. We got them all kind of ran because they're all like their own length, so it should be pretty easy to tell what it is. I guess we can do what we did with yours. We could do this one first, the very bottom one, and then the one by the throttle body, because that one's usually the hottest because by a coolant pipe.
Yes. Key tip for these clips. Alright, you're gonna wanna push in, push down, and you go bye-bye.
So you push in, push down, then it goes bye-bye.
The tip for these clips is you push them together, then you push the tab down and pull them apart. Because no one knows how to fucking do that apparently. Ooh, the clips are hard.
It's like a Chinese finger trap.
Yeah.
Just works.
It just works.
Wait, it's a German finger trap. So there's this plug down here, if I can get a good light on it, but it's right by the charge pipe. It's the only plug that's down here for it. You gotta take off this tray right here. It's only 4 Torx bits on each side, and then there's one in the middle right here that you take off and it should slide out. But I mean, other than that, you just got those, and then you just got those. This it's the second big cable.
This guy right here, the bottom one, not the top one, but the bottom one. It's pretty obvious because it only fits on one of them, but it's that one.
Yeah, but that guy, and then just this one, we kind of tucked it behind it all, so it looks a little bit more OEM. But I mean, other than that, that's literally all it is. And then you start your car, and you have more power.
Yes, it does take a little while to like readjust, but once it does.
It does. And it's fun. Yeah, all the torque in the top end and stuff. But yeah, so now we can just kind of put all the clamps back on, put the battery back on, and that's literally all it is. Also, the GS intake manifold is almost here, motor is almost out, so more on this coming soon. And then, yeah, whenever you guys start buying car parts, you know.
Yeah, not like we didn't just do a full suspension overhaul on a 90s car.
No, that one's slow. It's okay.
Yeah, only took us, you know,
that one doesn't give views.
14 hours or something.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, come back a second day and stuff like that. Yeah. But yeah, let's finish up and get her started.
Yes.
get to work. And just like that, we got everything running again. Just connected the terminals once more, and yeah, starts up and drives like a normal car. It does take a bit of driving for it to kind of get used to the new settings of the map 1 that it's on. It already should come with map 1 enabled. So yeah, so now we get to go enjoy it. You guys already saw what it did with the stock Mark 7 versus the Mark 7 with the JB1, so I don't really think I have to show you guys me driving it around. It does pull all the way through the RPM this time. Like, it actually goes all the way to 6,500 instead of like the stock one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is probably the one mod on the GT I'm gonna do for a while. At least I say that now. So, but more coming on this soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.